Hello, I'm Jamie Toonstra, one of the service techs from Modine Manufacturing, and in this segment we want to go over the PTC Effinity93 unit heater. And the question comes up a lot on how to clean the stainless steel secondary heat exchanger. So the best practice on cleaning this is to really vacuum it. As you look in behind the fan here, behind the blade fins, you will see the secondary heat exchanger. You can see that the coil runs from left to right and it covers the whole surface. Best practice to clean this is to really use a vacuum and some brushes. You don't want to use any wire brushes. We're talking more of a almost like a paintbrush style to get in there to brush the fins and to vacuum it off. You really don't want to use solvents on these. It's best to just try to vacuum it. There's no real good way to get rid of any water. The best thing is to just use the vacuum to clean it up the best you can, and you should be good. You shouldn't have to take off the fan guard in order to get to it. We've got a pretty good opening. One thing I would say, make sure your power's off when you're doing this. But you should be able to get in through here without any problem with your hands in the current position it is. If you really want to, you can remove the fan guard by just removing these 4 bolts. You can swing the whole assembly off, and then you can get to it. Always check the installation manual for proper procedures on our products. If you have any other questions or concerns, always go to www.modinehvac.com.